To create a routine on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to open settings. Over here in settings, we want to proceed to modes and routines, and then here at the bottom, we can switch from modes to routines. Now to create your own routine, you just have to use this plus in the upper right corner, and now we can create our routine. So first we need to choose the conditions, so what should happen in order to make the routine work. So as you can see here, the list is quite long. This can be pretty much anything from receiving a call through opening apps to accessing a specific Wi-Fi network and so on and so forth. So let's say I'm gonna choose something like a time period. This will be the easiest one. I'm just gonna tap on done. I don't want to customize it too much. Then over here we can go to what should happen when that routine is activated. And then in here we also have a bunch of different options, and you can do pretty much anything. Turn on or turn off something, adjust like a volume maybe, adjust some settings, maybe even the brightness and so on and so forth. So let's say in my case I'm gonna go ahead and go to battery, and I'm gonna turn on the power saving mode, because why not? And then of course we have some additional options like what should happen when the routine ends. And if you set it up, you just have to tap on save. Then we have the name of the routine and the icon, which we can easily customize if you want to. And then we can tap on done. And there we go. Now we have our routine created, which immediately started working because the condition has been met. Also, if you go to Discover, you should be able to find some additional options or suggestions that you can use to create additional automations or additional routines. So be sure to check that out. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.